Welcome to this short tutorial where I'll take you through how to use the 21.1 analysis and planning sheet. When you click on the link, you're going to see this screen and it's going to say make a copy. If you click on that make a copy, it'll create a new Google Sheet where you can fill in your information. So you have two parts. You have the part on the left and the part on the right. On the left, you're going to enter your results from the first time. So you can put the reps in as you got them. So 1, 10, 3, 30, 6, 60, etc. You're going to enter all of those in here, and obviously only as far as you got in the workout. So let's say someone got pretty close to finishing. I'm going to enter these numbers in here. I'm going to leave the double unders open. So now next I'm going to put split times in, and really important for you to observe this here. You need to enter the time in the correct format. So when I open the cell, I need to put 0, and then, for example, here 0 minutes, and let's say it took, and I have some data here next to me, it took about 5 seconds on that first wall climb. So that's what I'm going to put in, and you see all this data auto-populate as you do that. So you would just enter all your split times from your scorecard into this. So the next one here is going to be 0, 20 seconds, and then I continue, same thing, 45 seconds, and etc., until I've filled all the way down. So I'm going to show you this copy that I filled already before. So I have all the numbers here for the athlete. I can see the total reps in here. And now on the other side, what I could do is start to fill in the numbers, copy them over so that I can compare quickly how would it look like if I go faster. So I just copy the stuff over from the side. Let's say this time I'm going to be going a little bit faster somewhere. So I can start to look in here. Okay, my seconds per rep were 8.3, 7, 8, 9.2, 9.8. So let's say if I can shave off a little bit of time of those 15 wall walks, for example. So if I get there about the same time, but here let's say that I get through them a little bit faster, and now I'm at 7:15 there. So now I had a really fast cadence there. Maybe that's a little too fast. So maybe 7:25. Now I had a little bit less drop off, and I'm going to take that same, about the same time from all of them. So I'm looking to match the cadence on the double unders from one side to the other side. Okay, so here I want to go maybe a little bit more just so that I match that. Okay, so now I'm here, and again now I'm going to match the wall climbs from that final round. So maybe around 13, that's a little too fast, 13:30, and I'm just paying attention to this cadence cell here. So now I see, okay, I matched the cadence, but now I'm true 20 seconds faster overall, and then that gives me 20 more seconds here on the double unders. Now, as you fill this in, you're going to see all of these numbers auto-populate, and you can play around with your new strategy. And then you can go on this other tab, the performance table, and you're going to see the comparisons between the two different strategies. And if I finish filling this up and I put in here, okay, at the end, I got to 125 double unders this time, it'll show you the improvement in here. And then it'll also show you the comparison between the two different efforts. And of course here they were very similar overall, so you don't see a big difference. But if you have bigger differences, you'll be able to see them. So there's plenty for you to explore there on that sheet. But the main thing is to enter your original results here. Make sure you enter the correct time format that's here. And then you can copy that over to the other side and then start to modify these numbers. If you go a little faster, what happens to your overall time or the number of repetitions you get in the workout. I hope this is going to be helpful for you, and I'm looking forward to hearing how you do.